Hi guys, I'm Ojam Patrick. I want to show you how to import your Metamask 12 phrase or any other one, even if it is Trust Wallet. If you want to have a smooth running of your Metamask, that means, and maybe your phone cannot easily open Metamask, then you need to use Mises browser extension. So how to do it is, after downloading the Mises browser, you must have created your Metamask. You open it. Okay, you open it. Then when it is open, you click here, then click extension. It will open. Then click here again, okay, then you click on web store. Okay, let me see. I want to search for the Metamask. Okay, to search for the Metamask, there is a space here. A search box here. Type Metamask. There's so many methods to add this thing. Okay, don't worry. Then search. You can see the Metamask actually is already installed. But how to install it? In case how to install it? If you did not see your own written installed here, okay, just click here. Then you can see Metamask. Click to open. You must have created your Metamask. It's better you just import it instead of creating it through here. Okay, mark. Then you have your 12 phrase of your Metamask. So you click import an existing wallet. I agree. Then you can see where you put your 12 phrase. You can see where it is. You say I have a 12 word phrase. So you start putting it one after the other. So I'm not going to waste time putting all those things. Just wait for me. I will put it and show you. Okay, you can see I have added the 12 phrase. You can see it. There's no way they can show you except you tab here. If you tab, like you want to see what you wrote, if it is correct, you tap on the eyes, tab here, it will be showing you. So once you are done putting the 12 phrase according to the according to how it was written in order, so you click on what? Confirm secret recovery phrase. Click on it. Then you type in your password. Okay, after typing your password, click on I understand here. Click on it and then click on import my wallet. Very simple. You can see wallet creation successful. That is it. I got it. So that means you can see what they wrote. Your Metamask install is what? Is complete. You have successfully installed it, and you click on done, and that is it. So anytime you want to use Metamask, you can just use the Mises browser extension for it. Thank you.